Welcome everyone, it's OAT.
And Yaakov.
And today we are here talking to you about our new call. It is the 10K Yuj Manifestation Beyond free healing and free psychic reading call. Now we're going to have this call every week on Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you're going to be able to log on to the call and participate and ask your questions, your concerns regarding manifestation. And we're going to come together in unity to attain that high vibration, to send you off into the world and manifest your life the way you want to. It's up to you through the tools and techniques of meditation, manifestation, and also raising your vibration through love and gratitude.
And come one, come all, come together as one for us to allow the manifestations beyond. Hope to see you there.
The call-in number is 602-580-9708. And the access code to enter the live call is 3060900 with the pound hashtag sign. We invite you to come and enjoy this amazing call. The description will contain the links for more information, and go and find it and love. Take care, guys. This is the 10K Yuj Manifestation Beyond call.